Staphylococcal infections. Introduction. Staph infections are caused by a virus. Select true or false. Correct. Staph infections are caused by bacteria. Most types of bacterial infections can be easily treated with antibiotics or by draining the infection. Staph bacteria always cause skin infections. Select true or false. Correct. Infection with the bacteria can cause other health problems such as pneumonia and food poisoning. Every person that stays in a healthcare facility or shares a locker room with other people will develop a staph infection. Select true or false. Correct. Not everybody who has risk factors for a staph infection will develop one. Antibiotics can cure all types of staph infection. Select true or false. Correct. Some strains of staph bacteria cannot be treated with the most commonly prescribed antibiotics because the bacteria have built up a resistance to them. Staph bacteria that can resist these antibiotics are known as MRSA strains. Thank you for using Explain.